Okay, so last video I showed you that I wanted power cord or power outlet in the frunk, and now you know why, because here is where I cook my food. So I'm gonna show you the different things I have. And I have these plastic plates. Just put them here so it gets nice and flat for my cooking top, like this. And as you can see, both of them are already connected to the wall socket, and I put it behind this. And here you can chop your veggies. And here I'm gonna boil my pasta and also do my Swedish meatballs. Okay, so here we are making Swedish meatballs, and we're also doing the water for the pasta afterwards. And well, as you can see, the steam here, that's the main problem doing this setup, actually, because other people seeing we are standing with the open hood, and then also steam coming up, if they think we have a car problem. Alright, so that's how we are doing food in our KIAtchen, or as we call it, KIAtchen. Thank you for watching.